Happy Tuesday. It's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries, and we are back with another virtual story time. So, as always, I will remind you that we have our Storytime kits that can be picked up at the front desk. So you can sing along with us with your scarf, shaker, and song lyric packet. So make sure to grab one of those if you haven't already. And we did this a few weeks ago, but we're going to do it again. We're going to do a fairy tale theme. So this goes along with our summer learning theme, which is Imagine Your Story. And we also have a program on Fridays called Fairy Tale STEM. So each Friday, there's a different fairy tale. We give you a book list of different books you can check out. And then we give you a challenge. So at home, you can build something out of recycled materials or things you find in nature or Legos. And if you email me a picture, you'll be entered to win a really cool STEM bundle at the end of the summer. So we haven't had a lot of participation in that, so you have a pretty good chance of winning if you want to start sending in your photos. So check it out on our website or Facebook page. And I will read you a story today. This one is called Jack and the Beanstalk. So this is based on the classic fairy tale, and it's illustrated by Carly Gledhill. This is Jack. Lately, some of his family's things have gone missing. A bag of gold coins, a chicken, and a magical harp. When Jack's mother sends him out to sell their cow, instead of money, he returns with magic beans. Angry, his mother tosses the beans out the window. The next morning, Jack finds an enormous beanstalk outside where the beans had fallen. When his mother goes to town, Jack decides to climb it. At the top, Jack finds a sleeping giant and many of his family's missing things. He spots their bag of gold coins and brings it back down the beanstalk. The following day, Jack climbs back up the beanstalk to rescue their family's chicken. A chicken who lays golden eggs. But the next day, when Jack returns to take back their magical harp, the giant wakes up. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Jack races home, but the giant follows. Once at the bottom, Jack chops through the beanstalk. Now the giant can't return, and Jack and his family live happily ever after. The end.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Hi friends, it's Miss Amelia at the library, and today I'm going to share with you a different kind of fairy tale. This book is kind of like the story of the Three Little Pigs, but these are the Three Ninja Pigs. And this story is written by Corey Rosen Schwartz. Once upon a dangerous time, a wolf loved to huff and to puff. He'd go around town and blow down houses till three little pigs cried, "Enough! We've got to get rid of that bully. We're tired of letting him rule. We must put an end to this terrible trend. Let's train at that new ninja school." Pig 1 took beginner Aikido to learn a few basic techniques. He gained some new skills but got bored with the drills and dropped out in less than 2 weeks. His brother, Pig 2, took jujitsu and learned how to block and to punch. When that wolf comes to knock, he'll be in for a shock. Hi-ya! I'll eat him for lunch. The teacher said, excellent progress, but Pig-san, you must study more. Pig 2 said, no way, sayonara, sensei. I'm ready to settle the score. Pig 3 chose the art of karate and rose bright and early to train. She got in a groove and mastered each move, the cartwheel, the crescent, the crane. She balanced and blocked like an expert and practiced her lessons nonstop. By the time she was through, she could break boards in two by performing a perfect pork chop. For months, she persisted in earnest until she had paid all her dues. How happy she felt when she earned her last belt. I'll make that wolf shake in his shoes. Soon after, the wolf paid a visit to the little straw house of Pig 1. Stay out of my hut or I'll kick your big butt. I'm telling you, you better run. The wolf took a giant step forward. Oh yeah? Come and get me, he dared. Pig 1 made a fist. He swung, but he missed. I wish I'd been more prepared. The wolf chased Pig 1 to his brothers and hollered, hey pigs, let me in. Pig 2 yelled, retreat, or you'll suffer defeat by the hair of my chinny chin chin. One puff and wolf blew down the door. Pig 2 did his best flying kick, but whoosh, the wolf dodged and the pig's foot got lodged. We've got to get out of here quick. The chase carried on to their sisters. Pig 3 was outside in her Jeep. I'm a certified weapon, so watch where you're stepping. You don't want to start up with me. Pig 3 faced the wolf and bowed deeply, for ninjas are very polite. Quit huffing and puffing, and I'm not bluffing. I warn you, I'm willing to fight. Then she gave a swift demonstration with backflips and butterfly kicks. But the wolf looked quite shaken and hollered, yo, bacon, I'm not at all scared of your tricks. Pig 3 heaped some bricks into a pile. I'll show you what else I can do. With one mighty whack, she split the whole stack. Pig 3 said, that could have been you. The wolf saw that he was out-rivaled. He took one last look at Pig 3. I love to eat ham, but I think I should scram before she makes mincemeat out of me. The brother pigs high-fived their sister and watched the wolf vanish from view. They cheered, ninjas rule! Let's go back to school so we can be ninja pigs too. The end.